Welcome to the Real Transformer membership area. I am super excited to have you with us. Now, a couple of things before we get started here. First of all, you have access to the tool now, and right below this video, you are going to have instructions on how to use it. But before we get to that, I wanted to invite you to join the Momentum Collective because there is something really powerful when you are achieving momentum and your videos start blowing up and you see other people are blowing up and you start getting the results. So we have created a community of similar people to yourself who are on the same journey, and we just want to help you achieve these results. So make sure you join right below. Another thing, as we want you to have the results with this method, we are adding a lot of training for you that will show you how to use the tool in the best way possible so you can actually make back your investment and start earning passively from multiple channels. Sounds cool? Then join the Momentum Collective community and let's get started with all these videos.